Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. In this video, you are going to understand 1. How the 16 Ikin Ifa became the main Ifa casting material. 2. Why Ikin is the representative of Orunmila on earth. And 3. How Orunmila left this earth for Odu Orun, known as heaven. Before I dive deep into it, I hope you know what Ikin means. For the benefit of those hearing the word Ikin for the first time, Ikin is what is called palm kernel in English language. 16 of Ikin are used to cast Ifa. If you want to know how Ikin is being used to cast Ifa, a video is at the end screen of this video that explains. So, how Ikin did became the major materials for casting Ifa, how it is the representative of Orunmila on earth, and how Orunmila left for Odu Orun. These are backed with a story. The story goes that Orunmila lived mostly in Ile Ife and Ado at Okegeti. Orunmila had 8 children in Ile Ife, namely Alara, Ajero, Owarangun-aga, Oloyemoyin, Alakegi, Ontagi-Olele, Elejelu-mope, and Olowo. One of his aforementioned 8 children, who is Olowo, the last born of his children in Ile Ife, was the reason why Orunmila left this earth. How? Keep watching as I unfold it. There was a time Orunmila was about to have a celebration. He called upon his 8 children to come and celebrate with him. When they arrived, they began to bow for him one by one with the greeting Aboruboye Boshishe. Among these 8 children, only Olowo refused to bow for him. He acted rudely to Orunmila by standing on his feet in his front. Orunmila was surprised. He then challenged Olowo to greet him as the rest of his brothers did. Olowo insisted that he would not greet Orunmila. This Olowo's action shocked the rest of Orunmila's children. Orunmila then asked Olowo why he wouldn't want to greet him as others greeted Aboruboye Bosise. Olowo replied, "O you Orunmila, you are a powerful orisha of wisdom. I am equally a powerful son. O you Orunmila, you wear golden chain. I equally wear golden chain. O you Orunmila, you wear golden shoes. I equally wear golden shoes. O you Orunmila, you wear crown. I equally wear crown. And as you know that he who wears crown bows for no one." So, this statement got Orunmila very angry. Orunmila therefore collected the Osuide, that is, the golden chain, from Olowo. Orunmila, however, went straight to a palm tree called Owarangun-aga and disappeared. The moment Orunmila left this world, things began to go wrong because the rest of the orishas depend on Orunmila's knowledge and wisdom to make this world a better place. When everyone got confused, no one knew what to do to restore peace and happiness. A thought of pleading with Orunmila came. Then Orunmila's children went to plead with him by praising him. They went to the seat of the palm tree called Owarangun-aga to praise him and to plead for mercy. They praised him so hard. Behold, Orunmila answered and listened to their plead. But he said he would no longer come back to this world again in physical form. He then instructed them to open their hands. He then gave them Ikin Merindinlogun, that is 16 palm kernels, that this Ikin would henceforth be his representative on earth. He said, whatever is not clear to you would be revealed by him. This is how Ikin became Orunmila's representative. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see again, get a better life.